Quesadillas for breakfast? Heck yes. They got plenty of fiber and protein. And when I tested with my CGM, it's a nice flat line, keeping me fueled all the way to lunch. I got all the ingredients ready, plus a cup of coffee, so let's get cooking. So I start off prepping all of my components. I dice them up, shred the cheese, rinse the beans. And these are things I'll use throughout the week, so I go ahead and prep extra, throw them into salads and bowls and stir fries. Now for the tortillas, you could use regular tortillas. I am using Siete almond flour tortillas. Admittedly, I am a bit choosy when it comes to things where we're making substitutions. I don't want to just substitute something just because it's healthier. I still need it to taste good. A couple months ago, I got turned on to these and they are actually really good. They are lower in carbohydrates. They do make it just that much easier to keep stable blood sugar without a lot of planning or extra effort. And then we do up our eggs. You do your eggs however you like. Just add a little drop of milk, my eggs to make them extra creamy and tender. And then I heat up a pan over medium heat, add a little bit of butter. I add in the eggs, move them around for a minute or two until they're fully cooked, and we're good to go. And don't worry about cleaning that pan. We're gonna use the same exact pan for the quesadillas. Add some butter, because we want a crispy quesadilla. And then this comes together pretty fast. So we put down our tortilla, sprinkle the cheese all over. And then for everything else, we just put it on one side of the tortilla because we are gonna fold this over. Pick up the side that doesn't have any toppings on it. Pull it over to the other side and smush it down. Oh, look how good that looks. And that's it. So then of course serve it up with some salsa. I add some Greek yogurt, which is some additional protein. And then of course I love guacamole. Avocado is one of the best sources of fiber and really helps to just hammer this home as such a good nutritious breakfast. And then as I dig into this, let's check out that CGM data because really it doesn't get any better than this. Literally a 10 out of 10. Oh, let's take a taste. This is one of those things that is just so satisfying. There's so many good flavors, so many good textures, like it feels hearty, it feels substantial. If you wanna give these a go in your kitchen, you want my recipe, I've got it pinned down in the first comment below. And if you do make these, I've got a comment section. Let me know how it goes. Keep me in the loop. I love it.